Mastering good manufacturing practices. Someone in the organization is secretly sabotaging product quality. Who within the organization is responsible for ensuring that all processing steps are validated and verified to guarantee the consistent production of high-quality products, and what mechanisms are in place to ensure that these validation and verification activities are conducted in accordance with good manufacturing practices and regulatory requirements. Within the context of good manufacturing practices, GMPs, and operational excellence, ensuring the consistent production of high-quality products is a critical responsibility that is shared among several key stakeholders within an organization. The primary responsibility for ensuring that all processing steps are validated and verified falls on the shoulders of the organization's quality unit, which is typically led by the Quality Assurance (QA) department. The quality unit, in collaboration with other departments such as manufacturing, process development, and regulatory affairs, is accountable for overseeing and ensuring that all processing steps are validated and verified to guarantee the consistent production of high-quality products. This involves a rigorous validation and verification process that encompasses all stages of production, from raw material sourcing to finished product release. To ensure that validation and verification activities are conducted in accordance with GMPs and regulatory requirements, the quality unit has established mechanisms to ensure compliance with relevant guidelines and regulations. These mechanisms include 1. Validation Master Plan, VMP. The quality unit has developed a comprehensive VMP that outlines the validation strategy, protocols, and procedures for each processing step. The VMP ensures that all validation activities are planned, executed, and documented in accordance with GMPs and regulatory requirements. 2. Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs. The quality unit has established SOPs for validation and verification activities, which provide detailed instructions on how to conduct these activities, including protocols for testing, sampling, and data analysis. 3. Training and Qualification. The quality unit ensures that personnel involved in validation and verification activities are properly trained and qualified to perform their duties. This includes training on GMPs, regulatory requirements, and organizational procedures. 4. Change Control. The quality unit has implemented a change control process to ensure that any changes to processing steps, equipment, or procedures are properly assessed, approved, and implemented in accordance with GMPs and regulatory requirements. 5. Documentation and Record Keeping. The quality unit maintains accurate and complete documentation of all validation and verification activities, including protocols, test data, and results. This documentation is maintained in accordance with GMPs and regulatory requirements. 6. Regulatory Compliance. The quality unit ensures that all validation and verification activities are conducted in accordance with relevant regulatory requirements, including FDA guidelines, EU GMPs, and other applicable regulations. 7. Continuous Monitoring and Improvement. The quality unit conducts regular assessments and monitoring of validation and verification activities to identify areas for improvement and implement corrective actions as needed. 8. Management Review. The quality unit conducts regular management reviews to assess the effectiveness of validation and verification activities and ensure that they are aligned with organizational goals and objectives. 9. Audit and Inspection. The quality unit conducts regular internal audits and self-inspections to ensure that validation and verification activities are conducted in accordance with GMPs and regulatory requirements. 10. Corrective and Preventive Action, CAPA, System. The quality unit has implemented a CAPA system to identify, document, and correct deviations or deficiencies in validation and verification activities. By establishing these mechanisms, the quality unit ensures that validation and verification activities are conducted in accordance with GMPs and regulatory requirements, guaranteeing the consistent production of high-quality products that meet customer and regulatory requirements.